In this video, we will show the best oats available to buy. At number 10. DiSano Oats. DiSano Oats are made from 100% whole grain oats, which is a natural source of protein and dietary fiber. It helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure and cholesterol. At number 9. Raw Essentials Authentic Rolled Oats. The whole grain oats can be topped with any of your favorite flavors. Fresh or dried fruit and nuts give the oats crunch, while honey, cinnamon, or brown sugar makes for a warming sweet flavor. At number 8. Saffola Masala Oats. Oats are high in fiber and protein, which keep you fuller for longer, control your hunger pangs and thereby help you manage weight. At number 7. Nutriorg Gluten-Free Rolled Oats. Nutriorg Gluten-Free Rolled Oats are loaded with important vitamins, minerals and antioxidant, calcium, potassium, vitamin B6 and vitamin B3. At number 6. Urban Platter Rolled Oats. Rolled oats are higher in protein and healthy fats and lower in carbohydrates than most other whole grains, and they contain more soluble fiber than any other grain. At number 5. True Elements Gluten-Free Rolled Oats. Being high in fiber content, they are good to be consumed in the morning as a breakfast to help you get started for the day. It's lab tested for being 100% gluten-free. At number 4. Eco Valley Hearty White Oats. Quick cooking white oats that make up for a healthy and complete breakfast. It has non-pasty texture. At number 3. Bagrry's White Oats. Reap the benefits of our 100% whole grain and nutrition-packed oats, which are specially processed with our innovative milling technology for a superior taste experience. At number 2. Kellogg's Oats. Oats is a wonder grain that has more soluble fiber than some grains like wheat and rice. Kellogg's Oats are 100% whole grain and are high in fiber and protein. At number 1. Quaker Oats Pouch. Quaker Oats is made from 100% whole grain oats, which is a source of protein and dietary fiber. A quick and convenient breakfast in just 3 minutes.